Store sprayers indoors when temperatures drop and clean them thoroughly after every use to prevent costly winter damage. To keep pest control spray equipment functioning like new, start by flushing tanks with plain water, then follow with a Nutrasol tank cleaner solution mixed at the manufacturer recommended rate and agitate for the prescribed time before a final rinse. After cleaning, drain all fluid lines and trigger guns while holding the wand open so residual chemical cannot freeze or corrode seals. For pressurized backpack and B&G style sprayers, depressurize completely and remove and inspect strainers, nozzles, and filters for clogging. Soak brass or stainless parts in an approved cleaner if buildup exists. Lubricate pump seals and O-rings with a light silicone grease that is compatible with pesticide use to prevent drying and cracking during storage. Keep a short preventive maintenance checklist you perform after every use that includes testing pressure, checking hose integrity, tightening fittings, and recording any parts replaced so patterns of wear become obvious. Store small replacement parts such as diaphragms, O-rings, and nozzle tips in labeled containers and rotate supplies so items do not sit unused for long periods. Common issues are frozen lines and cracked tanks from cold storage. The fix is to fully drain and clean units and keep them indoors above freezing. A second frequent problem is nozzle clogging and inconsistent spray patterns. Resolve this by regularly removing and soaking nozzles, using strainers to catch debris, and replacing worn tips promptly. A third concern is seal and pump failure from chemical exposure and neglect. Prevent this by using compatible lubricants, following a post-use maintenance routine, and keeping spare diaphragms and seals so you can swap them out before a minor leak becomes a major repair. We run bighomeprojects.com, and our site connects homeowners with local contractors who can handle sprayer maintenance and winter storage needs. We also help contractors find work and share a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips on equipment care and preventive maintenance.